Alright, so here is the best way on how to fix slow download speed on Telegram app. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So here, as you can see, I'm on Telegram right now, and I'll exactly show you how you can fix slow download speed. So first up, what you need to do is just simply head over to settings. And once you're inside your settings, here, as you can see, what you gotta do is just simply head over to data and storage. Once you're here, you'll be able to see a few options, but first of all, you just gotta go to the first option called storage usage, and you just gotta simply press on that. Once you press on it here, as you can see, you'll see a few options, but right over here, you'll see another option called clear entire cache. So you just gotta go ahead and press on it and just clear entire cache, and here you go. Now after that, you gotta go back, and right over here you'll see the option of automatic media download. Now right over here, using cellular means using your phone data. So what you gotta do right over here is just set it to either medium or either low. Cause yeah, but if you use your mobile data or you're using a cellular a lot, you just gotta go ahead and put it on medium just like this, and then you just gotta go back on use the Wi-Fi option. Now right over here, you gotta make sure that your data usage is set to high, because when you're using Wi-Fi, it's just gonna fix the slow download speed, and when you're in cellular, it's just gonna be on medium. Then you're good to go. Just copy all these settings from data and storage section right over here, and then you're good to go. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see